When does mental illness become a legal defense? When does a prior pattern of violence override it? This case forces the law to answer both questions at once.
They're all right. Pinned against the wall. In there. I don't know if she's hot or crazy what. She's saying she's got to back to her.
We have somebody pinned against the wall.
Reverse and back up. This lady over here is pinned.
All right.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get on in the car now.
No, I'm not going.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Go back to Earth!
Watch out. Don't move, man! Don't! Stop! Stop!
JIL 7562, it's Black Acura, headed towards Branch Hilton. Mary 16, have EMS respond in now. Ma'am? Alright, can't move. Okay, stay with me, okay? Bobby, she was pinned against the wall. Okay, if you gotta throw up, you're fine. I got you. You got her? Yep, got her.
She's in a vehicle. See if State's got anybody in route.
25, we're in the area.
17, I'm en route. I'm checking northbound. 17, she's gonna be at Branch O'Gideon Weber. Branch O'Gideon Weber.
17, are you pushing?
17, affirmative. We're northbound, approximately 40 miles an hour. Her car door is still hanging open, not acknowledging lights or sirens.
Okay, any with the patient?
16, EMS is with her now. Unknown on condition.
Disregard, she just turned westbound on a little bit Miami Road, or C75, tire just lost.
17, she's riding on her front right rim.
7362, correction, 7362. That's not a good tag, you can go.
6 Mary 17, coming up on Ward, speeds of 40.
Approaching Ward, speeds of 40, that's not a good tag. Keeps coming back, not file.
6 Mary 17, she's ramping on to 275. Northbound speeds increasing to 60. 6 Mary 17, she's about to lose control. 6 Mary 17, 53 over 4, speeds of 55 miles an hour. 6 Mary 17 just crossed over into Hamilton County, coming up on Logan exit.
We'll try to get on that.
Don't move! Don't move! 6 Mary 17, taser deployed. Taser deployed.
Taser deployed, yeah, suspect in custody, 78.
Get on your back! Get on your back! Got it. Slow down. You're good. Okay, come on. Going up and over. Hang on.
Please, I want to go back to Earth.
I'm gonna pull this out. 1, 2, 3.
Please, I want to go back to Earth.
Now pull this out.
Please, I want to go back to Earth.
You got another one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just put her in ours because we'll take her.
Oh, please, I want to go back to Earth. I was just trying to commit
Somebody else in there? Try moving. Don't let it out. Hey, there's a dog in there too.
A dog? 378, can you try and contact animal control? There's a canine in this vehicle.
I'm gonna read her Miranda.
Please, I want to go back to Earth. No, I'm serious. Please. No, please, I want to go back to Earth.
Have a seat in the car.
Please, I've been abducted by aliens.
All right, right now you're under arrest, okay?
Please, can I go back to
Before
Earth?
we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, no.
No, please, I want to go back. Can I just...
Anna, stop. Get in the car.
Please, I don't want to be here on this planet. Please.
Stay
Please,
in the
I
car.
don't want to be on this planet.
Slow down.
I want to...
Did anybody watch the full event?
So I live right there in the White House.
Okay.
My wife's the one who called 911.
Can I speak with her?
Yeah, I'll go get her.
Ma'am, this is our witness statement form. If you could just date and time, fill out this information for me in as much detail as you can, and then a signature at the bottom.
Okay.
Nothing.
I mean,
No, there was nothing that you could have done. We couldn't get her out. You're not paid to put your life in jeopardy. Okay? That is our job. That is what you guys pay us for. There's nothing you could have done. Okay?
Please, I want to jump off the bridge.
I get
No,
that. But we can't have you
listen.
do that, okay?
Then.
We can't do that
Bridge,
either.
please, they've been
Anna.
dissecting people. I want to go back to Earth.
Anna?
No, I'm not. That's not me.
Anna.
No, let me jump off the bridge, please. I don't want to exist anymore. Please, I just want to jump off the bridge.
Anna, you're hurting anywhere?
Please.
Anna, we're going to put you on this cot. We're going to strap you to
No,
it.
no, please, just let me go off the bridge. Please.
One of you go with me?
Please, just take me off the bridge.
Yeah, she's in custody.
So somebody's going to have to go with me.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Have you taken any today?
No, I want to go back to Earth.
You're on Earth.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Where else are you then? You're on Earth, okay?
I'm literally already dying, though.
Well, I was in my house and I heard something crash, and then I heard the horn wouldn't stop. So I rode my bike over here to see what was going on, and then that's when I saw him and my neighbor were up in the garage trying to get her out of the car. I was kind of watching things from my bike down here at the mailbox, but I was concerned about them because I could see the car would go to reverse and then out of reverse, and she was revving it. And Did you get hurt here? Yeah, trying to get out of the way of the car coming down the driveway when she barreled down the driveway. Did that lady pass?
She's no longer with us, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's unfortunate.
That I wasn't able to come because I was just getting off my shift. And I told her I sent a message after she ended the call just to call the police. And then I never got a response back. I think she called me to get her out.
She normally would call us, though, right? If she's something she can't handle.
She doesn't like calling the police at first. She's had bad experiences with the police.
Hi, can I help you guys?
Our sister-in-law.
Yeah, we just wanted to see what was going on.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm sorry for your loss.
We're communicating with Elizabeth, who's flying in, the daughter from...
Well, we know she stayed away from the house last night because Anna was beating her up and hitting her and stuff, and so she went and stayed over at Elizabeth's. And
we got the text this morning. Can somebody please... We live in Columbus.
Okay.
Can somebody please go? And I said, let's call for a well check or something.
Yeah.
And she said, well, we think Mom is hurt. And so we got in the car.
And I just want to ask you a couple questions about what's going on this morning.
Yeah, we're already in trouble for all I do is drive away and try to do my...
Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out, is what's going on, that's all.
I accidentally drove forward, and then I needed help backing up. I just wanted her to drive away. She started dragging me down the road because she had my phone in her purse. So I held onto her purse, and then she just started dragging me. She's not an old woman, she's strong.
How was she dragging you down the road?
By her purse.
So you kind of were playing tug of war with the purse?
Yeah, but she started dragging me. My ex-boyfriend was and I went to hell. And he himself.
Where was hell for you?
At my sister's house.
At your sister's house? Why was it held?
Just got my face ripped off.
Just because you got your face ripped off?
And literally ripped off, and now I have a new face. And then they also ripped my body off in that camper. They ripped my body apart. I have a video of it.
How long ago did you break up with your ex?
Like months ago or something in the hospital. It's like no matter how many times I wanted to, or it like accidentally happens, it's like I just won't. And he's trying to erase me. He looked at our family photos, all my photos of me and Eric gone.
From your house?
Yes. She's extremely strong. She broke my leg.
When did she break your leg?
I broke my sunglasses, and then she started me, and then I started running back.
Yeah.
So then she broke my leg.
Do you remember what day that was?
It was yesterday.
It was yesterday?
All I wanted to do was do outpatient and stuff, and she agreed that was fine. Mm-hmm. Right when I got home, it's like we started fighting, or it's an alien or something. Like I looked at her closely, and I took a picture of her. I have it on my phone. She's not human. All I was trying to do is just about him.
Okay.
I didn't want to hurt anybody. I didn't want to hurt the car. I didn't want to hurt anybody. I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to have peace at last. I shouldn't have freaked out. I was just laying in bed and I shouldn't have freaked out. I just wanted to go somewhere with her.
Yeah.
I do love her, but it's not her anymore. She freaks me out.
Yeah.
I don't know when she, but like, it's just confusing because it's not her anymore. I want to talk to her though. I really want to talk to her. I know it's not her, but I find comfort in her voice. I want to make sure.
Officers confirmed the Miranda advisement of questioning. Under Miranda v. Arizona 1000, 966, any statement obtained without that warning is inadmissible in court. The formal arrest was announced on camera, securing the evidentiary chain 2 years prior to this incident. Anna committed the same act of vehicular violence against her former partner. In January 2023, she pleaded guilty and served 8 months in jail. Under Ohio law, this prior conviction became a critical aggravating factor. Anna was charged with aggravated murder under Ohio Revised Code 2000, 903.1, and 2 counts of felonious assault under Ohio Revised Code 2000, 903.11. Bond was set at $5 million, reflecting the severity of the charge. 1 month after arrest, psychiatric evaluations found Anna incompetent to stand trial under Ohio Revised Code 2000, 945.37. She could not understand the proceedings or assist in her own defense. After court-ordered rehabilitation and reassessment, the case resumed. Prosecutors argued that Anna had voluntarily stopped her medication before the incident, knowing the consequences, and had done so on multiple prior occasions. Under existing case law, foreseeable loss of control can significantly reduce the weight of a mental health defense. August 19, 2025, sentenced to 21 to 26 years in prison. Plea to involuntary manslaughter under ORC 2000, 903.4, and felonious assault under ORC 2000, 903.11. The reduced charge acknowledged her mental state. The sentence reflected her prior criminal pattern. At the time of the events, I was in psychosis. This is a horrible accident. Spoken at sentencing. The court heard those words and still imposed a 21-year minimum. Core legal principle when voluntary medication noncompliance, a prior pattern of violence, and acute psychosis converge. Courts must balance accountability for foreseeable risk against compassion for genuine illness. Neither principle alone is sufficient. If Anna knew her medication prevented violence and chose to stop anyway, did that choice restore criminal intent? Can psychosis explain a crime while also being a foreseeable risk? The law has an answer. It may not be what you expect,